Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're exploring RightCapital, found at https://www.rightcapital.com. This financial planning software platform offers a robust suite of tools designed to empower advisors and their clients. It's a comprehensive solution covering various aspects of financial planning, including retirement planning, investment management, and estate planning. RightCapital provides a client portal, allowing clients to easily access their financial plans and track their progress. The platform stands out with its interactive and visually appealing interface, making complex financial data easier to understand and digest. RightCapital integrates with a number of other financial services and platforms, streamlining data aggregation and reporting. This interoperability makes it a powerful tool for advisors looking to consolidate their workflows. The software also boasts robust reporting capabilities, enabling advisors to generate personalized reports for their clients. Furthermore, RightCapital offers features for goal setting and progress tracking, empowering clients to take an active role in their financial future. The platform's focus on user experience is evident in its intuitive design and ease of navigation. Advisors can quickly create customized plans tailored to their clients' unique needs and circumstances. RightCapital also provides a range of educational resources and support materials, ensuring that both advisors and clients can effectively utilize the platform. They offer various pricing plans designed to accommodate businesses of different sizes. Beyond retirement planning, RightCapital supports tax planning, college savings projections, and insurance analysis. It also facilitates collaborative planning, allowing clients to work closely with their advisors to achieve their financial goals. The platform offers secure data storage and robust security measures to protect sensitive client information. Its user-friendly interface is a major selling point, simplifying complex financial concepts for clients. RightCapital's comprehensive approach to financial planning makes it a valuable tool for advisors looking to enhance their services and empower their clients. Through its interactive features and integration capabilities, RightCapital offers a modern and efficient way to manage and visualize financial plans.